Grounds of refusal of registration of trademarks. Meaning of trademark. A trademark or service mark is a word, name, symbol or device used to indicate the source, quality and ownership of a product or service. A trademark is used in the marketing is a recognizable sign, design or expression which identifies products or service of a particular source from those of others. The trademark owner can be an individual, it can be a business organization or any legal entity. A trademark may be located on a package, a label, a voucher or on the product itself. What is the importance of registration of trademark? The registration of trademark holds the significant importance for businesses and individuals alike. Exclusive rights and protection. The trademark registration grants the owner exclusive rights to use the mark in connection with specific goods or services. It acts as a protective shield, preventing others from using a similar mark for similar products. Without registration, enforcing these rights becomes challenging. Presumption of ownership. A registered trademark establishes a legal presumption of ownership. It simplifies legal proceedings if any disputes arises. The burden of proving ownership shifts to the alleged infringer. Public notice and brand recognition. Registration publicly announces the existence of the trademark. It appears in official databases and publications, making it accessible to the competitors and the public. A well-recognized trademark enhances brand reputation and consumer trust. Deterrent against infringement. Registered trademarks act as a deterrent to potential infringers. Competitors are less likely to use a similar mark, knowing legal consequences may follow. It safeguards your brand identity and market position. International protection. Trademark registration provides global protection. It facilitates expansion into international markets. International treaties and agreement recognizes registered trademark. Thus, trademark registration is crucial for brand identity, legal protection, and business growth. It ensures that your unique mark remains exclusively associated with your products or services. What is the grounds for refusal of trademark registration? Absolute grounds for refusal. Section 9 deals with the absolute grounds for refusal. It specifies the criteria for determining whether a mark is eligible for registration. It covers aspects such as distinctiveness, descriptiveness, functionality, and scandalous or offensive nature. Absolute grounds focus on the inherent qualities of the mark itself and apply universally. It includes incapability to distinguish. A trademark cannot be registered if it is incapable of distinguishing the goods or services of the applicant from those of others. For instance, a geographical name like Simla was deemed unregisterable because it lacked distinctiveness. Descriptive or generic marks. Marks that describe the kind, quality, origin, or characteristics of goods, services are ineligible. For example, the term rosoi, meaning kitchen, could not be registered for edible oils. Common usage. If a mark has become common in everyday language or trade practices, it cannot be registered. Deceptive nature. Marks that deceive the public or cause confusion are refused. This includes marks likely to hurt religious sentiments. Functional marks. Marks serving as a functional purpose, example, necessary product shapes are not registerable. Scandalous or offensive marks. Obscene or offensive marks are prohibited. Relative grounds for refusal. Section 11 addresses relative grounds for refusal. It focuses on existing marks and potential conflicts. It includes provisions related to similarity, likelihood of confusion, and well-known marks. These grounds consider existing marks and potential conflicts. Similarity to prior marks. If a proposed mark is identical or similar to an earlier registered mark, it may face refusal. Likelihood of confusion. Marks causing confusion among consumers due to similarity are rejected. Well-known marks. If a mark resembles a well-known mark, it may be refused. Honest concurrent use. In exceptional cases, concurrent use of similar marks may be allowed.